Hello everyone, we are here at Fuji Electric India. So can you please brief me about the expo?
This automation exhibition is one of the very good exhibition in India, who is showcasing all the new latest automation systems launching in the industry, specifically for machine automation as well as for the process automation. So this is a good platform for the players who are showcasing the new solutions and innovative products in the industry. So this is a very good platform.
And sir, what is the major focus of Fuji Electric here?
Yeah, so Fuji Electric as such, we are participating in this exhibition since quite a couple of years. But this time it is a special launch. We are doing some new products for especially machine automation segments. Like here we have launched new servo systems, which is with the much better performance compared to our previous products, which will help machine builders to have a better performance of the machines as well as the better output of the machines. So along with the servo systems, we are launching a new series of our AC drives also, which will communicate on the various networks available in the latest generation. So now the machines needs to be on a network. So by considering network, we have launched our PLCs as well as drives, which can be on a common network with a multiple range of network.
And sir, what are the major industries that these products would be used for?
So here we majorly focus steel industry, crane industry, as well as the machine tool industries, where our products are focused to, and they are designed to cater these industries with some unique features in the product, which are some of the benchmark features which we are launching in this exhibition with our new products.
So what are these unique features that you're talking about?
Like in new features in servo systems, we are launching a new servo with the EtherCAT solution, which is first time Fuji is launching in the market. So in machine tool industries, EtherCAT is very, very important communication protocol. So now we are filling that product gap with this new product. We call it Alpha 7 servo, which is with Ethernet communication protocol. So now we have full-fledged solution for machine tool as well as for AC drives. We have a new Mega series, which is Mega G2, and this has unique features for the crane industry as well, where we have a load adaptive control kind of feature, which is unique in the industry, and very few players have such kind of technical features available in current range of products. So Fuji is now with the new product, we can serve customers with the better products and better features.
Thank you so much.